Alright guys, working on the TSX again today, and today I wanted to install a oil pressure gauge. This little guy right here. I got some pods installed, a boost gauge. Here's the oil pressure gauge and room for the wideband. This is just from a WRX. I mean, it's not the cleanest fit, but it'll work for now until I figure something else out. So here's a downpipe. I welded on another piece to it today because the guys at the shop just welded me a piece this long, and I didn't feel like going back to them, so I welded it myself. Not the prettiest, but it should hold. Here's what the downpipe looks like. Pretty funky angle. And yeah, just some 3-inch pipe I had laying around, also from a WRX. Just kind of making it work. So for the oil pressure gauge, if you guys can see, this is the little tap I have. That's my factory oil pressure sensor right there, and that's the feed for the turbo right there. And there's just a plug right there, which I'll be putting this guy into. Here's my downpipe. Pretty ugly, but it'll get the job done for now until I get it tuned, and probably gonna get it welded into my exhaust at one point. Just for peace of mind. It should set into the little groove. It's a brass fitting, pretty soft, but just for peace of mind, throw some of it on. Make sure no strands are actually going inside there. Take this plug out. So no oil comes out of it a little bit. So the way I got this sitting here, it's a little tight, but I mean, the OEM sensor's up top. And now let's see if this works. First time putting one of these on. From the research I did, I mean, you gotta keep your OEM one and tap this sucker in.